Hey, what's up you all? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to talk about Shiba Inu in this video and how much money do you need to invest at this price point to make $100,000 investing in Shiba Inu token. So watch the full video, click on the like button if you like and enjoy the video, and subscribe to my channel because we have been talking about a lot about cryptocurrencies, sometimes sensitive updates around some of the penny stocks and large cap stocks and financial systems in general. So let's talk about Shiba Inu without further any delay. Shiba Inu has been trading at 0.00007085 and it is 11% down in last 24 hours. By the way, the volume is also down by 40%, and right now we are seeing the volume of 529 million in last 24 hours. But if you take a look what has been happening in last 7 days, we were up about right here on June 15th. Now after June 15th, this shot up because of the announcement around what we saw on Coinbase. So Coinbase launched Shiba Inu on their platform, Coinbase Pro. It was available, and since then we saw some dip, and this is not just dip in Shiba Inu, we saw the dip in entire crypto market. If you take a look right here, the volume spiked up. If the gray bar, if you take a look at right down below where my cursor is, you are able to see that the volume went all-time high, or not all-time high, but it was pretty high considering what was trading in last 7 days. If we take a look at last 1 month, we still see that the volume is significantly higher that we saw at the end of May. So the volume was pretty healthy. We saw the spike, and definitely there is a positive momentum. There was positive momentum, very positive momentum, and it shot up just in no time without people understood or people got the message, which is why it is important to subscribe to my channel, because I shared this news as soon as it came out or it was announced by Coinbase within 1 hour. So if you haven't still subscribed, I would recommend you subscribe to this channel, and you can click on the notification bell as well. So once you turn on the notification bell, you can get an update instantly as soon as I drop the video. Now, if you take a look at all the cryptocurrency, one of the big thing about Shiba Inu is the hype is holding, and it is one of the very popular cryptocurrency. If you take a look, Shiba Inu right now is at number 2 most viewed cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. It has been holding pretty strong. If you take a look at the petition on Robinhood, which is 159,000 people already have signed, and once Robinhood announces on the top of whatever happened with Coinbase, we may see one more spike very soon. And this is when this article came out, when I shared that on June 15th, and that's why it went up on June 15th right here. It shot up just in an hour and a half. So it was pretty time sensitive update, and you want to make sure that you have the knowledge and information right at the time when you need the most, and which is why you can take the advantage of the news, because knowledge is power these days. Now if you take a look at this petition, people are signing up and up. So Robinhood at one point will launch Shiba Inu, because this is once again one of the most popular currency on CoinMarketCap. If you take a look right here, there are 10,500 cryptos available, and Shiba Inu, if you take a look at the rank, is 37. It's pretty high ranked up on CoinMarketCap. There are more than 940,000 people on the watch list. If you take a look at other cryptocurrencies as well, so it is following in general the crypto market. Bitcoin is at number 6. Now it was up about, Bitcoin was at number 1 whenever this news came out, when Elon Musk mentioned that they will start accepting Bitcoin if they, so basically they got the endorsement and Bitcoin started trading above $40,000. Now it is not confirmed yet when Tesla will start accepting Bitcoin, but the general messaging is as soon as they find the reports that more than 50% of the Bitcoin mining is happening through the eco-friendly systems, they will be able to start accepting Bitcoin. So this kind of news moves the crypto market in one way or the other, but Shiba Inu has been consistently staying about in top 5, top 3 all the time in most viewed cryptocurrency. Now, how much money do you need to invest right now at this price point to make $100,000? We have seen a lot of figures and people talk about how much money do you need to invest to make $1 million. Now, you can make $1 million, there is no doubt, if you invest more and more and more money, but that might not be realistic in terms of the risk versus reward, because more money you want to make, more money you have to invest at this price point. And by no means I'm saying that this won't be going 10x, 100x, 1000x. It may, but it may or may not be realistic for someone considering risk versus reward to invest the money. So let's take a look right here, and this is precisely what I wanted to show you. So this is the price right now. So the price right now is 0.00007, and right now the market cap is more or less 2.76 billion. Now the supply is 394 trillion, and all this data is available right here. So 394 trillion coins or tokens are available into the circulation supply for Shiba Inu, with the market cap that we just discussed, 2.7 billion, as you can see right here. Now it went as high as all-time high for Shiba Inu is 0.000038. Now if it just goes as high as it was once in the past, it will be 454% return from if someone has invested at this price point today. Now that means if someone invests $100 becomes $450 if it hits all-time high. And in my opinion, it may hit all-time high very, very soon. So there's a pretty big opportunity to quadruple your money just in short period of time. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and research, but I just wanted to share this information with you that it hit all-time high. It made many people millionaires when it hit all-time high right here, and we saw some success stories in the online media platform and whatnot. If you take a look at Shiba Inu just in general, you should be able to see what a massive return that Shiba Inu has. So this is the ROI. The ROI is 436,000%. What it means is if someone invested $1 at the beginning of the Shiba Inu launch, they would make about $4,367. So it's a massive, massive return. I've seen many people invested $10, $15, $100, even $200. So it depends. You want to invest the money that you're willing to lose, or it doesn't wake you up at night, and you can get that kind of crazy returns if things work out. So it's the many times when you invest in cryptocurrency, you have to know, you need to know the team, you need to know the insider information as to how genuine one coin is and how popular it can get. We have seen many coins like SafeMoon became pretty popular. We have seen Bonfire became pretty popular in the beginning and then went down, and we don't see that on CoinMarketCap at the moment. So there are so many coins that came out, and they were trending on the top, and then they gradually go down. But Shiba Inu has been holding pretty strong. Now what could happen is, if Shiba Inu, if this is the supply that we're talking about, 394 trillion. Now we have seen that in the past, Vitalik burned about $6.7 billion or close to $7 billion worth of Shiba Inu tokens. So now what happens if there are more and more tokens get burned? So if there are 75% of the current token gets burned, then what we can see is $100 billion into the circulation, or 100 trillion tokens into circulation. Now, if we have 100 trillion tokens into circulation, that means if it hits 0.001 price point, that will be $100 billion worth of market cap, which is doable. Now, if you think about if it hits 0.001 right at the moment, we are looking at a very massive 145,000 billion, or in other words, $145 trillion worth of market cap, which is pretty challenging. But think about if 75% of the tokens, the current tokens, get burned, and if there are only 25% of the token in circulation at 0.001, we are looking at $100 billion worth of market cap. And I'm not saying that this could happen overnight. I'm not saying this will happen in 2021, but I'm saying at one point, there is a possibility that Shiba Inu token can have a market cap of $100 billion. Now, if that happens at this price point, then we are looking at 14,000% return on the investment. What it means is if someone invested $100, that becomes $14,100 with the return of 141 times on your investment if someone makes at this price point or 7 levels more or less. Now this is doable as I just mentioned, but if someone invests $750 at 0.00007, that return becomes, the total becomes $105,832. So $105,832 on the investment of $750. So in other words, your investment of $750 will turn into 141 times more than what you invest right at the moment if Shiba Inu hits 0.001. So I just wanted to share this. This is a massive return, and there are lots and lots of catalysts for Shiba Inu that can bring the price point up to this level if 75% of the tokens get burned. There is one more thing. There are 520,000 holders at the moment for Shiba Inu, but if, as you know, that there are more than 900,000 people looking at Shiba Inu just on CoinMarketCap. It is now launched on Coinbase Pro, which is once again a big thing. The hype is holding, the hype is real. On the top of that, if you also think about LEASH and Bone, and when the SHIBASWAP will launch with the certic audit and everything that they need to do in terms of their development into their staging environment, getting all the certification, and once they launch, there will be a lot more hype, lot more popularity, and it can bring Shiba Inu to newer levels and definitely at the highest levels that we have seen in the past. Now, LEASH is a sister token of Shiba Inu that is having a market cap of $280 million, which is a pretty big market cap with 18,500 holders and with 107,000 tokens available, which is in my opinion pretty massive. It can turn into a lot more application, having the smart contracts that are into the pipeline in the product roadmap, and it will have an important role into the SHIBASWAP as well. So that will be the time when we'll start seeing once again Shiba Inu token going to the moon, or at least going in a very positive direction. Also, we may see very soon that this petition can get some impact and Robinhood will launch Shiba Inu, and there will be some announcement because there is a lot more community, a lot more transactions are happening. The volume is pretty decent with 530 million volume. In my opinion, Robinhood can get a lot of advantage in terms of the transaction fees. Their viewers or their users don't have to go to different exchanges or different platforms, and they keep their users with them for a long term. So there are a lot of new things coming out for Shiba Inu. I'll make sure I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.